Question number 1. The members of the Constituent Assembly were option A elected by provincial assemblies, B elected directly by people, C nominated by the government, D only representatives of the princely states. Answer of option A elected by provincial assemblies. Question number 2. The Indian Constitution does not follow the model of the Constitution of UK, USA, USSR, Ireland. Answer of option C USSR. Question number 3. When the Constituent Assembly for the Dominion of India reassembled on 31st October 1947, its reduced membership was answer of A 299. Question number 4. Which of the following is a feature common to both the Indian Federation and the American Federation? Option A single citizenship, B dual judiciary, C a federal Supreme Court to interpret the Constitution. Answer होची C a federal Supreme Court to interpret the Constitution. Question number 5. The preamble of our Constitution is A part of the Constitution, contains the spirit of the Constitution, is a limitation upon the granted power, D none of these. Answer of option B contains the spirit of the Constitution. Question number 6. In Indian Constitution there is no provision for option A religious rights, B political and social rights, C educational rights, D economic right. Answer over D economic rights. Question number 7. Fundamental duties were incorporated in the Indian Constitution in 1971, 1972, 1975, 1976. Answer over option D 1976. Question number 8. Any dispute regarding the violation of fundamental rights can be presented option A in the Supreme Court only, B in the High Court only, C either in the Supreme Court or in the High Court, D first in the Supreme Court and then in the High Court. Answer of option C either in the Supreme Court or in the High Court. Question number 9. A bill referred to a joint sitting of the two houses of the Parliament is to be passed by option A simple majority, B 2/3 majority, C 3/4 majority, D absolute majority of total membership. Answer for option A simple majority. Question number 10. A money bill passed by the Lok Sabha has to be passed by Rajya Sabha within option A 14 days, B 21 days, C 1 month, D 3 months. Answer above option A 14 days. Question number 11. The President gives his resignation to the option A Prime Minister, B Vice President, C Chief Justice, D Parliament. Answer of option B Vice President. Question number 12. The Union Council of Ministers is appointed by the option A Prime Minister of India, B Parliament, C President of India on the advice of the Prime Minister. Answer of option C President of India on the advice of the Prime Minister. Question number 13. The central government's exclusive powers are enumerated in the option A concurrent list, B state list, C union list, D federal list. Answer of C union list. Question number 14. Which of the following writs is issued by the court in case of illegal detention of a person? Habeas corpus, B mandamus. Answer of A habeas corpus. Question number 15. Separation of the judiciary from the executive is enjoined by? Option A preamble, B directive principles, C judicial decision. Answer होगा B directive principles. Question number 16. The words social, secular and the unity and integrity of the nation have been added to the Indian Constitution by which amendment? Option A 38th, B 40th, C 42nd, D 48th. आंसर होगा C 42nd amendment. Question number 17. Parliamentary elections are organized by the President, Prime Minister, Lok Sabha Election Commission. Answer होगा C Lok Sabha. Question number 18. 7th schedule of the Constitution deals with? Option A provision of oath, B President and governors, C 15 Indian languages, D 3 lists regarding legislation. Question number 18 आंसर होगा D 3 lists regarding legislation. Question number 19. Question number 19. The States Reorganization Act was passed in the year? Option A 1947, B 1950, C 1956, D 1952. Answer हो option C 1956. Question number 20. Planning Commission is a? Option A statutory body, B executive body, C autonomous body, D none of the above. ऑप्शन ए राइट आंसर स्टाच्यूटरी बॉडी. यदि फ्रेंड्स वीडियोस पसंद आसे तो प्लीज़ लाइक करूँ सांग मानक शेयर करूँ. जो मैंने सब्सक्राइब करना सब्सक्राइब करने सहित नोटिफिकेशन आइकन उपर प्रेस करूँ जहाँद्वारा वीडियोस अपलोड कले आपण पाखे नोटिफिकेशन पहुँचो. धन्यवाद.